Students, in this video I am discussing the most important chapters of biology for NEET examination. According to recent news, the 2020 NEET examination will be held on 13th September 2020. So, you have maximum 2 months time for the preparation for NEET exam. If you prepare well, then you can get the maximum marks in next coming examination. In NEET exam, the 90 questions will ask from biology subject. So, today I will discuss the most important chapters of biology. So, there are 5 most important lessons. So, in that the first one is ecology. The second most important lesson is genetics. Third one is reproduction in organisms. Fourth one is human physiology. And fifth most important lesson is plant physiology. Remaining lessons are also important, but compared to those lessons, the maximum questions will come from these 5 chapters. Approximately 10 to 13 questions will come from the ecology part. This ecology part includes the 4 units. If you prepare well those 4 units, then you can score the good marks in the examination by attending the 10 to 13 questions. Next, the 10 to 12 questions will come from the biological classification, that is diversity in living world. So here you have to study the plant and animal kingdom. By that you can touch the maximum 12 questions. Next most important chapter is genetics. From that genetics part, the 10 to 14 questions will come. So in this genetics part there are 2 lessons. The first lesson is principles of inheritance and molecular basis of inheritance. By studying these 2 lessons, you can score the good marks by attending 10 to 14 questions. And from the most important topic, that is reproduction in organisms, from that topic the 9 to 12 questions will come in examination. So you have to study thoroughly. Next, from human physiology, the 11 to 14 questions will come. Next, from plant physiology, the 7 to 9 questions will come for the examination. Next important lessons are the morphology of flowering plants. From that question, 3 to 4 questions will come. Next lesson, important lesson is cell biology and biomolecules. From that lesson, you will get 6 to 7 questions. By studying these 9 lessons, you can score the maximum 80% marks in a NEET examination. The remaining chapters are also important. First, the most important lessons are these 9 chapters. So students, prepare well and all the best for your examination. Thank you.